Hello guys, long time no hear about me, but people have been asking me about CCC front panel and the fan removal, so I thought I make a small video about fan removal. It's quite easy. If you ship me the unit, just remove the fan because it might be damaged on package. To do that, just pull this a bit to the back and turn the fan. And these holes are holding the fan in place. And to put it back, simply put all together, push it a little bit, and pull this thing and turn into place, and it will be in right place. It's easy like that. Remove and put it back. So the second thing is front panel removal. To do that you need Torx 8. Here are 2 screws. Just remove these 2 screws and the front panel will come off. And there is also one small plug which needs to be removed. Be careful with that. While removing it, you have to pull up from the corners extremely carefully, and if both sides are pulled up and it's moving freely, simply pull out the flex cable. And also, if you put back flex cable, first pull up the plastic, insert the flex cable, and watch that it should be parallel, and pull it back. And if it's not in parallel, just pull the plastic and try again. And one more thing, if you put it back, the front panel, always disconnect the power. Always disconnect the power, because if you miss here, something short circuit or something, then the unit dies. So be careful. Don't turn it on while removing or put it back the front panel. So pull up the plastic, remove the flex, and it's gone. And you can send me the unit without front panel. Also, if you are scared to remove the front panel, leave it like it is, but pack the package very carefully. So if you want to put it back, just find these 2 screws that you removed, put back the flex cable, and it's easy to put it back. Simply, nothing can be done with power. If you do with power, then you probably damage something. So be careful with that, and all will be good. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Hope you guys like my service, and see you next time.